All right, here's a pro tip for you guys. I used to be a full-time drain cleaner, and little hand plungers like this one are a lifesaver. I went on a lot of calls, $50 to $250 calls, and step one was always this. So I always keep one of these at home. This one's by Luigi Plumbing. And this sink doesn't have a full blockage, but it's been draining a little bit slower. I'm going to show you exactly what this little tool will do. As you can see, it's draining slow, but it is draining. Pull it up, and you'll see all this nasty sludge. That's what blocks your pipe. So most of the time, when you hire a professional drain cleaner, what you're going to get is somebody that's just going to get you back to flowing. So instead of having to worry about using an auger, which blends it up with a wire, something like this little inexpensive hand plunger is going to save you potentially hundreds of dollars. And really, this is what I use. You can run a treatment if it's got a lot of blockage, but your step one is just push that water up and down, clear the blockage, and this little guy is perfect for that.